So here's a tutorial on how to make these covered snaps. Of course, since this is most likely used for children, make sure that it's compliant. You know, it's not going to tear off. It's going to be smart parts. Somebody can choke on it, that sort of thing. Of course, at your own choice to use it. I'm not endorsing it, neither. I'm not endorsing it. It's super cute, though. So what you need is, of course, the garment you're going to put the snaps on. Needle and thread. The snap clamp thing. I don't know what it's called. The fabric you're going to make the cover out of. Yeah, there we go. Scissors, pen, glue. This is Japanese leather glue. It's fantastic. Any type of really sticky glue. So Elmer's glue, not going to cut it. Fabric glue probably will cut it. Epoxy, that sort of thing. The snaps itself and a stiletto. Hello, you don't know a stiletto if you need to install this. So we're going to start off by tracing one of your snaps. It's actually probably work really well for the bigger snaps. Trace just around with the pen. Okay, I do not know if you can see that. Make it in red so it's easy to see. So trace this, and then we're going to cut it out at 1/4 of an inch around. Yeah, 1/4 inch. Don't do any bigger than that, mostly because it'll get all bunched up and it won't sit nicely, and you will have a situation like this where it's all sticking out because it's not sitting flat and flush. Okay, so we're going to cut it out. So of course you can see this is more work, but oh my goodness, it is so adorable. Okay, now where is the glue? Glue! Please pardon the appearance of my glue. I need to buy some more, but I can't go to Japan to get more right now. Not sticky. Let's get more. It's sticking out the side. Oh yeah, because I'm professional. There we go. We want to glue this piece in the center. So if you're doing this for kids, you might want to use organic glue or fabric glue, right? That's organic. Okay, so that's the case. It's been glued down. Okay, now we're going to just stitch long stitches around the periphery and then pull it together like a drawstring. Okay, so we're going to stitch around the periphery. I've already knotted my thread about 1/8 of an inch away from the edge. Just really loose, but not too loose stitches. It's basically going to be gathering stitches, right? Of course, if you only do 4, it's only going to gather the 4 corners and not the entire periphery, the outside, which we want. Because we want it to start rolling over with the running stitch. Would help if I was in frame. Okay, we'll leave it like that, basically. And then you start pulling in. Oh, don't be too close to the edge because that'll happen. I'm gonna have to stitch a little bit further away from the edge so it doesn't fray out. Okay, pull it in. If you want, you can glue this part too. So from the front, it should look like this. Very nice, right? Okay. I'm going to leave this attached because we want it. I'm just going to cut this later when I don't need it anymore. Okay, now we have to make the hole where we want it to be for the snap. For this one, it's going to be about here. You can do this more accurate. I'm just lazy right now. And then you need to get the snap that you're going to use for that piece, which is the outside piece. Put this through. Make sure you've tucked all the edges in. The smaller the stitches are, the more accurate it's going to be. Okay. Pull one more time to make sure they're all pulled together. Flip over, add on your back. find your press. And squeeze. Squeeze it really hard. Squeeze it really hard. If you don't squeeze it hard, it's going to pop off. We don't want that. Okay, and there you go. Put the back on and you've got a bunch of snaps. Oh, yeah. You probably want to cut this off. You don't need that part anymore. Straight thread. And you're done.